Good day. So our last video, so we have here a simple file stream program. Okay, let's try compile and run. So example, we have here Richard and 15. So we have here writing to the file, enter name Richard, age, enter age 15, read from file Richard and 15. So if you want to check the output from the file itself, so you have to go to your documents and the C++ folder, then open. So we have here Richard and 15. Okay, so if you want to modify the default storage of your file, so for example, we have here D drive, so we have here the double less than for our escape sequence. So in our escape sequence, you have to, if you want to display a single backslash, so you have to use it double backslash. Same here. So if you want to write your file, so D, then double backslash. Okay, so let's modify. So here we will display our data line by line. So in our example, we expected that our data in our file has 2 lines. So what if we do not know how many lines of data in our file? So you have to while, then okay, then delete. Okay, so save, then read, compile and run. So example, cas 10. Okay, so we have here the output. Next, if we want to implement for, so for example, for CTR, int CTR is equal to 1, then CTR less than equal to 5, then CTR plus plus. Okay, then we have to store our counter or our CTR in our file, my file data, or no, not data, it's CTR, then okay, save, then run. So sample increase 30. Yeah, so we have here increase 30, then our for loop counter. So if we want to check our file itself, so we have here, okay, increase 30, then we have 1 2 3 4 5. Okay, so that's it. Thank you for watching my videos.